Hi, this is Melvin Hom, a Math 120 online instructor at College of San Mateo. First, what can you call me? You can call me Melvin, you can call me Mel, you can call me Mr. Hom. Professor Hom is okay, although I don't prefer it. Do not call me Dr. Hom, I'm not a doctor of any sort. Just want to give you a little heads up as to what to expect once our class begins on Wednesday, August the 19th. So this is a fully online class. There are no face-to-face sessions that we're going to have. But every day I will be giving you an outline as to what to do. And I'm emailing you even now a syllabus that tells you what's going to happen pretty much every day. You're going to be doing work on something called XYZ homework. XYZ homework. You can find all of this in the syllabus that I've given you. And you're basically doing one section a day, just like you would have if we had met in a face-to-face kind of situation. And so it's basically one day you do section 1.1, the next day you do 1.2, the next day you do 1.3, and so on, which is exactly what you would have done in a regular face-to-face course. All right, now, you could go directly to XYZ homework, and I'll show you how that works if we get to it, but we're supposed to do it via Canvas, right? So one thing I have to say about Canvas is I'm not 100% sure that you can get the XYZ homework on Canvas. I'm fully confident that it works outside of Canvas because that's what I've been doing in the past, but I've been told by administration to have it available via Canvas. So what's going to happen is on our first day, Wednesday the 19th, very soon, you're going to try to get it on Canvas, the XYZ homework. And if you find out that it's not working, then I'm going to immediately set it up so that you can all get to XYZ homework without Canvas. So we may have one lost day potentially on Wednesday the 19th if things don't go well, but I'm hoping that it all goes well. So first you'll get into Canvas and see if you can get onto XYZ homework. And if that's not possible, then you holler and scream at me and tell me that's not going to work, and then I'll have to switch everything over to tell you what to do directly to XYZ homework. I will mention that I do have office hours via Zoom, and it's also on the syllabus. You can reach me Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and also from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, Monday through Friday via Zoom, and I'll give you the meeting ID and password for those when it gets closer to the first day. To let you know, all the exams that you'll be doing are on Saturdays. Every exam is on a Saturday. You get 2 hours to do exams, but you get a 2-hour window. You basically almost have 24 hours, a window to pick on that. The exam generally opens up at 12:01 a.m. That's a minute after midnight, and closes at 11:59 p.m. That way I can make sure that it's on that particular Saturday. So you almost have 24 hours of a window. Officially, I guess that's 23 hours and 58 minutes, which is almost 24 hours to do it. Now, the way it works is once you start the exam, whatever time you start between that time, 12:01 a.m. to 11:59 p.m., once you start, the computer will give you only 2 hours to finish. So once you begin, let's say you start the exam at 8 a.m., then it'll stop at 10 a.m. If you decide to start at 2:15 p.m., then it'll shut off at 4:15 p.m. So that's the way exams will work. Now, all the homework and all the exams are individualized, they're randomized. So your exam, your homework problems, and even the exams are not the same as anybody else's. And that's obviously to prevent someone from just simply copying the answers from someone else. Now, something else I need to mention about the exams, because of the fact that they're not proctored, I can't see you do it. There is, you know, and I know there's a high possibility that someone may want to cheat in this class. So I reserve the right to call you out sometime and say, show me how to do this problem from the test. And we'll do that via Zoom. So I'll see you one-on-one, just you and me, face-to-face, so I can make sure that there's no funny business going on. So let's say, for instance, I suspect someone has cheated on this particular test. I can't see you. I'm not proctoring you. So I may say, okay, Joe or Mary, I'm going to meet with you on such and such a day, such and such a time. We'll mutually agree. And I want you to show me individually on a piece of paper how you do problem number 7 or how you do problem 13 or something like that on exam. And I may decide to overwrite what you did on the exam by what you show me face to face. So in other words, if I see you can't do it face to face, so you say, what's going on? You got 100 on the exam, but you can't show me anything face to face. I may decide to nullify that score and give you a lower score. So you have to be ready for that. I might call on you individually for that. Anytime during the semester, we'll pick a mutually agreed time, and I'll say, you show me how to do certain problems on the exam face to face to make sure that you didn't just copy it or didn't have a friend do the exam for you. I also wanted to mention that there's a 70% homework requirement for each exam. So every exam that we have, you must have completed at least 70% of the homework in order for me to give you a grade on the exam. Now, there's nothing that's going to prevent you from doing the exam, but if I see that you have not done at least 70% of the homework, then you're automatically going to get a 0 on the exam. In other words, you can't get by with just doing the exams. You have to actually do the homework. There's also a requirement every week, so it's a weekly thing, of posting an individual item. There's supposed to be 2 posts that you have, and this is something that the whole class can see. So you'll be posting something to the whole class. All you have to do every week is to show one example of a problem, one problem that was due that particular week. Now, any one particular week generally has 5 sections. So let's say, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, there are 5 sections. You just have to demonstrate on the post any one of those problems. Okay? And then you also have to reply to someone else's post. The reply post is just simply, good job, that looks correct, or I would have done it this way, or this step you did this, this, and this, and that looks like a good computation, something of that nature. So every week for participation, there's a post, a required post within XYZ homework, and a reply post. All right, that's basically just an overview of what's happening. If you want more details, look more at the email that I'm giving you and also the syllabus. But just wanted to tell you quickly what's going to be happening in our exam. All right, so hope you to have a good semester in our online Math 120 course.